Hi there, this is Amanda from Lighthouse.io here. I get this question a lot, so I thought I would do a video on this. Let's say I'm walking around my property and I spot a spill or a maintenance issue or some sort of vandalism. How do I share the photos of that issue with other people through Lighthouse? Well, the answer is pretty simple. There's a couple ways you can do that. The first is you can take photos directly in the Lighthouse.io app and upload them right there when you see the issue. The other option is to take a photo on your device's camera and upload it to Lighthouse.io later. But in both cases, as soon as you load it to Lighthouse.io, that photo is going to be reported there, and you're going to be able to see it both in the Lighthouse.io app and in the web console. Anyone else that's an authorized user of your application will also be able to see that photo. So let me walk through a couple examples of what I mean there. So in this first scenario, say I'm walking through the property and I see something I want to submit through Lighthouse. I want to take a photo of it. Well, the first thing I can do is take that photo directly in the Lighthouse.io app. I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'll open up the app here. First thing I do is I'm going to select on the Lighthouse.io app. And because I want to report an issue here, I'm going to select the Issues tab on the bottom navigation. Let's say that this is a maintenance issue. I'll click into my maintenance form. And then for those photos I want to attach, all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the camera icon at the bottom there. I can select Take Photo. I'll go ahead and take a photo of us recording. And when I'm happy with it, I can use that photo. If it's blurry, I can retake it. Now, that photo is going to auto-upload to the form in Lighthouse. When that download bar turns green, I know that it's successfully been attached. The advantage of doing it this way is I can enter other details about this. I can say what kind of issue it was. I can add text to that. I can say if it was related to vandalism. And then I can go ahead and submit it directly through the app. Once you submit it, it's automatically going to appear in the mobile app and the management console for everyone to see. And we'll go through that in a minute. Now, second scenario, what if I saw this maintenance issue and I took a photo, but I forgot or I didn't have time to complete a report? Or what if I was performing my regular walkthrough of the property and I took a bunch of photos and I want to upload them to an inspection form later? How do I upload photos that are in my device's library to Lighthouse? Well, the process is pretty much the same. Once you took the photos, they were saved in your library. So when I go ahead and I open up my maintenance report here, I can go ahead and click on the camera icon just like I did before, but this time I'm going to choose a photo from my library. I'll go ahead and take those last photos that we selected, and once again, it's going to auto-upload to this form. Once it's completed uploading, the bar turns green. We can enter more details and we can submit it through. To upload multiple photos, all you're going to do is you're just going to click on that photo icon again and again until you're happy with the number of photos that you're submitting. So now that you've loaded all the photos, the second question was, how do we see these photos? How do we share these with other people that might be on the property? Well, there's two ways to do that as well. The first one is directly through the mobile app. We're walking around here. We can just go across our bottom navigation and click on our activity module. And this is going to give you a list of all the recent activity. You can see that I've submitted 4 issues in the last 2 hours, and I can go into each issue to take a look at what details were submitted and the photos that came along with them. The other way is if you're sitting at your desk, all of this stuff is stored as a central record in the management console. All we have to do is go to reports and then navigate to our issues that we've reported. I'm going to click in this last report that I did, and I can see a record of this of who submitted it, what area it was submitted in, what time of day, any details about it, and of course, take a look at those photos. We hope that explanation helped. If you still have questions about anything to do with Lighthouse, how to use the Photos module, feel free to contact us either through the chat module in your web console or just by emailing support@lighthouse.io. Thanks so much.